Hey everyone, it's Nisreen Hawley with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services in Sedona, Arizona. And today I am in Camp Verde, Arizona at our listing on 550 Raysun Lane. This is co-listed with Julie Floyd and she is hosting an open house. So I came by just to give you guys a little closer look. Take a look at the neighborhood and how well kept all of the homes in this cul-de-sac are. There is a lot of pride of ownership, which is very important for people. And when you enter the house, you see that it's bright and spacious. There are custom shutters, window coverings, beautiful tile floors. This is a 3-bedroom plus a den. Now, this could be another bedroom, but the way the cabinets are set up, it does lend itself to be an office or a workout type room. And then we'll head down the hallway here. This is room number 2. So this bedroom has some pretty large pieces of furniture in here and lots of space. There's a full bathroom, tub and shower here. And then you've got room number 3, which currently is a workspace, but definitely is set up to be a bedroom with the closets. There are lots of room, beautiful shutters, and a gorgeous view of the backyard. So let's take a look at the main living area and the kitchen. This home is on a huge lot, by the way. It's 0.81 acres. So lots of room here. It also has a hardwired generator hooked up to it for backup power, which is great. And it has paid for solar. Take a look. I love that pantry with the frosted door, granite countertops, beautiful wood cabinetry, stainless steel appliances. And then there is this adorable little wine fridge down here, very convenient. And the dining area also really open to that backyard, which is beautiful. We'll take a look at that in a moment. Here's the primary bedroom. It is enormous, so this is room number 4. You have a lot of space here you could do with arranging of furniture, have a sitting area, reading nook, whatever you like. You've got double sink here, double vanities, a walk-in shower, and then a beautiful soaking tub with lots of jets in there, so nice and relaxing. The linen closet, a walk-in closet. And then in the hallway here, you've got a couple of extra options for storage. That's a second pantry. We'll go out to the garage later too. That's huge. There's a little half bath here right before you get to the laundry room. And you've got the full-sized front load washer dryers. And you have a sink in the laundry room. So that's super helpful. If you have one, you know that it comes in very handy. Absolutely having a sink in the laundry room is a big benefit. And then there's a dining room just around this corner, but we're going to take a look out back first. Here you've got the covered back patio, which is perfect for entertaining. You've got the ceiling fans up there. This area is turf, so it's very low maintenance. I know it looks gorgeous, like real grass, and it feels very natural, but it really is turf. And that fire pit, you've got an area for a grill. This is great for outdoor living and entertaining. Really well done and immaculately kept. And like I said earlier, there is a substantial amount of solar panels that power the place. It is paid for, so there is no solar lease to assume. That's a huge plus. Another plus is this spa, hot tub for relaxing. And then again, this is a huge lot. Lots of room for toys. It has space for an RV. It has hookups. It has an RV dump. It has extra shed back there. Two spaces. 3 spaces for parking. There's a 2-car garage, a 1-car garage, and then another 2-car garage. So this, you have a little storage space, another garage here, plenty of room for tools, the overhead racks. Just you could make this into any kind of creative space you want, a workshop, art studio, anything like that. There are raised bed gardens. And then again, you've got another space here that you could park one car. And then Julie, that was pretty hot. So then the storage shed, again, lots of space here. If you have toys and you don't want to pay to store them somewhere, you'd like to keep them with you at home, this is definitely the place to do it. And then the main garage is quite spacious. You will see that there are so many cabinets here. And then there's this whole area right now that has some stuff in it, but you could do a lot in that spot too. You could make any of this a workspace because there is a little window unit in here for AC, which keeps it nice and cool. And those garage doors are extended higher than normal, so you can fit your extended cab trucks in here. There is really so much space at this property and lots of options and opportunities for you on what you want to use that space for. So take a look, 550 Raysun Lane. Reach out to myself or Julie Floyd, and we would be happy to take you on a tour.